Hello, welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony, voiceover coach, voice actor, and of course, this is brought to you by A VO's Journey Elite Academy. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody. We had a great video yesterday, and it's getting a lot of support, and a lot of people are watching, so I really appreciate that. Make sure you check that one out about passive income and all the cool things we're doing over at A VO's Journey Elite Academy, especially with our publishing firm for Academy Voices Entertainment, which is just going amazing, and the audiobooks, and we just put up some more this morning, and so it's just going really well. Great opportunities in A VO's Journey Elite Academy. And speaking of the opportunities, today's topic is doubt kills your income. And this morning's video from Suzy Kasem, right? Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. And I can't agree more. I've seen this with so many voice actors doubting themselves to the point where it freezes them. It freezes them. You might have heard it said a different way sometimes, called analysis paralysis, right? It's this doubt that we can't do something. We're not going to be successful. We're going to fail. We're going to be, counted as a fraud, imposter syndrome. All of these things that we experience is doubt. It's doubt. And what that does is it freezes you in your tracks, so you don't take any forward moving action, right? In all kinds of things, right? You doubt yourself when it comes to doing auditions. You doubt yourself when you listen to your audio and you think it's horrible, or you don't think it's good enough. You doubt yourself when it comes time to, maybe you want to join A VO's Journey Elite Academy, but you're doubting yourself whether I'm going to get enough out of it, whether it's worth it. Am I going to make it work? You doubt yourself when, it's time to put up your profile, right, on whatever website. There's so much doubt. You doubt whether you're going to make enough money. Is it even worth it? The doubt is like a wall, and I put this in our morning report that I send out every morning to the academy, right? Is, to me, doubt like masquerades as a wall. It's this big wall that stops us from moving forward, but it doesn't masquerade as a wall. It masquerades as this good thing, right? But it's really a wall, right? It cloaks itself in this I'm here to protect you, this warm, cozy place of complacency. Do you know what I mean? That's what it masquerades itself as, but it's really a wall. It's a barrier to that next level of success for you. And I think success is one of those things that is arbitrary because it's defined so differently from person to person. But your success, right, can be so many things to you, not just about earning money, but it's about, you proving to yourself that you can move forward, that you can take on those things that are bothering you. You can, beat it, if you will. I think that quote today really moved me, and it shows that there is and it's funny because I've worked with so many voice actors, and I have seen this happen so many times where a voice actor has a great potential and they have talent, and they have a drive, but there is this overwhelming amount of doubt that they're going to fail. They're not good enough. They're an imposter. They shouldn't be doing this. They're somebody's going to discover that they're a fraud. All of this stuff overwhelms them. It becomes this massive weight on their shoulders to where they don't take any steps forward. And I've always thought to myself, if we could step back and take a picture of, or not a picture, but just kind of document the actions that it takes to get to that point where we want to get to, and removed the emotion from making those decisions. And we just went from point A, point B to point C as outlined in so many things like A VO's Journey Lead Academy or other things, right? I think you would find that, there is this sense of like this sense of ability to actually do these things, but because the doubt and the emotion is there, it literally stops us dead in our tracks. So that's where doubt plays a significant role, and I think that's where that old adage comes from. Your biggest, your biggest enemy, or not enemy, but just your biggest hurdle is yourself. Right? Because we are the ones who hold us back. We're the ones, and doubt plays, by the way, doubt plays a lot of different cards, right? To you. Doubt can play the card where, oh, I'm too tired. Or I've got so much, so much is going on. I shouldn't have to do all of this. I deserve a break. Doubt tells you, that wasn't any good. I need to, spend another 5-10 hours just working on my audio or working on my auditions. Oh, I need, doubt tells you, oh, I need coaching before I can do that. And then it says, but I can't afford the coaching, so I can't do that. So then I can't do this other thing because I have to do 5 other steps before. I've experienced all this myself. I've seen people go through it. That is all doubt. It's playing its cards. It's like playing poker with you. It's like you're playing poker in your mind, and doubt, beats us a lot. I mean, it really does. But how do we beat doubt? We take action. That's how you beat doubt. Right? Is that you actually take action. Think about anything that you ever were worried about or nervous about. Whenever you actually, closed your eyes and just dove in and went forward, you found, right, that it actually wasn't that bad. It actually was great. And you always question yourself, why didn't I do this earlier? We know these things, but doubt still is that pinball machine in our mind. So listen, I just wanted to come to you today and tell you, if you are feeling that, you have that doubt and that worry, first off, just know that that's okay. That's normal. That is normal for all of us. Everybody doubts themselves. All right. Doubt can sharpen your mind, but it's a double-edged sword because it can also turn into that analysis paralysis, that lack of action. And no matter what anyone says, action is at the heart of all success. Action has to come first. You've got to plant before you, reap. You've got to sow before you reap. You've got to take the action first before you get. And doubt tells you, well, it's not even worth taking the action. So what happens? It's a self-fulfilling prophecy because you never actually take the action that will show you. And in that quote, it says, doubt, kills more dreams than failure ever will. Because the idea is that when you take action, yes, you're going to fail. And doubt tells you, oh, failure's bad, pumped into our minds, by the way, by school, as we know, right? Failure's bad. So that was unintentional, I really do believe, but that was kind of brainwashing from all of us, right? Failure's bad. Failure plays an integral role, in success, because we have to fail in order to know which path to take. Because if we don't, then we're never going to actually find the success path for ourselves. So, but doubt is telling us, oh, don't fail. Failure's bad. So I'm doubting whether I should even try because I'm going to fail. But the reality is failure is that progressive step towards success. All right. I hope that, this has got your mind really thinking about what are some things that my mind might be playing tricks on me right now, that doubt is doing to me. Okay. Imposter syndrome, analysis paralysis, fear of failure. I'm too tired to do this. I'm not able, it's not worth it because I've got to do 5 other things first. For me, that one's a famous one. I can't do something because I got to do 5 other things first. And I don't want to do those 5 other things, so nothing happens. That's something that happens to me a lot. So, we all have our demons, if you will, of doubt. So your job is to really take a step back and look at it. look at it from a detached view and say, crap, this is what it's doing. This is what it's doing. It's masquerading itself, as protecting me. But the reality, it's stopping me from taking those chances and moving forward. All right. I hope this has helped. And again, I really appreciate all the support from yesterday's video. We were talking about all the incredible things about the passive income and all that's going on with the Academy Voices Entertainment and a VO's Journey Elite Academy. That link's below. Remember, we've got half off, so it's a great time to join. We'd love to have you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't let doubt stop you. Be successful and move forward in your life. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Cheers. Have a great Tuesday. Bye-bye.